Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. We're the number one, guys. 3, 2, 1, go.
And they are all off into that first whirlpool. Who's going to be the first one down? It is Jupiter. Jupiter is in the lead, followed by Mercury with Uranus coming in. It's a close race. Jupiter is in the lead though. Uranus second to follow. Can the other planets catch up? Jupiter is the biggest planet. It's flying through. It's between Jupiter and Uranus. There's Mercury. Jupiter's just pipping the lead. Can Uranus get down there? No, it's just tailing behind. Jupiter is in the final whirlpool now. Oh, could Uranus sneak in? No! Jupiter is the winner, followed by Uranus. Mercury taking its time, and all the other planets are still up above. Earth is down fourth, but will it be fourth down that whirlpool? Venus is now into that final whirlpool. There's Mars joining the party. Earth is in there. Venus. Mars. And Neptune. Saturn got stuck right at the beginning.
Jupiter is the winner. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.